Hey outdoor enthusiasts! Tired of uncomfortable camping chairs that leave you sore or collapse when you need them most? Today I'm breaking down the top 10 camping chairs of 2025, from ultralight backpacking chairs to luxurious oversized rockers. Let's dive into these game-changing camping chairs. Starting strong with number 1, this beast of a chair that's built like a fortress for your comfort. What makes this chair special? First off, size matters. When unfolded, you're looking at 40.5 inches long by 28 inches wide. That's basically a portable living room chair. The ergonomic design cradles every part of your body with high-density padding on the headrest, backrest, armrests, and seat. The strength factor is incredible. We're talking 400 pounds capacity thanks to that robust steel frame with powder-coated finish that laughs in the face of rust and corrosion. The 600D Oxford fabric isn't just tough. It's breathable too, so no more sweaty back syndrome. Smart storage solutions, 2 cup holders and 2 side pockets mean your phone, snacks, and drinks all have their designated spots. At just 12.6 pounds, it folds into a compact carrying bag faster than you can say camp setup. This chair isn't just for camping, concerts, movie nights, backyard barbecues. This versatile beauty handles it all while looking sleek and modern. Number 2 brings the magic of rocking to the great outdoors. The GCI Freestyle rocker is about to change how you relax at camp. The game changer here: patented spring action rocking technology with shock absorbers that let you rock smoothly on any surface: sand, grass, concrete, even rocky terrain. It's like having your favorite porch rocker wherever adventure takes you. Built smart and strong, that steel frame handles up to 250 pounds while the mesh backing keeps air flowing so you stay cool. The beverage holder is perfectly positioned within arm's reach because hydration is key, folks. Setup is brilliantly simple with their easy fold technology. Grab the seat frame, push out and down, and boom, you're rocking. Packing up? Just foot on the base, pull the handle up, and you're ready to roll. At 11.8 pounds and folding down to just under 5 inches wide, this rocker proves you don't have to sacrifice comfort for portability. Number 3 is for the ultralight warriors who refuse to compromise. The Moon LENCE 4th generation chair is engineering excellence in action. Here's the mind-blowing part: this chair weighs only 2.7 pounds, but can support nearly 400 pounds. That's like having a feather that can hold a motorcycle. The secret? Aircraft-grade aluminum construction with a revolutionary triangular structure and central linkage pole. The fabric game is strong 900D Oxford ripstop ballistic nylon with double seams that's virtually rip-proof. The mesh back design creates a cooling airflow system that carries away heat and sweat. Setup is ridiculously easy thanks to that central linkage design. We're talking seconds, not minutes. And when packed, it's so compact it fits in your backpack or carry-on luggage. Versatility is the name of the game of backpacking festivals, beach days, even indoor use. The ergonomic design ensures comfort whether you're watching sunrise from a mountain peak or catching a set at a music festival. Number 4 cranks up the heavy-duty factor with the Alpha Camp oversized chair that's built like a tank. Size and strength define this beast: 25 by 36 by 39 inches of pure comfort with a whopping 450-pound capacity. 4 additional steel frame supports at the bottom mean this chair isn't going anywhere. Comfort features are next level: 600 multiplied by 300D padded Oxford fabric with padded armrests create a luxury seating experience. The hammer-tone powder coating fights off corrosion and fading like a champ. Storage solutions everywhere: a mesh cup holder, side storage pocket for your essentials, and here's the kicker: a side cooler bag to keep you refreshed on those scorching summer days. Portability: despite the size, folds down to just 9 inches by 38 inches and weighs 13.2 pounds. Quick setup in seconds means more time relaxing, less time fumbling with complicated mechanisms. Number 5 brings double the comfort with the Fairwind 2-pack, perfect for couples or camping buddies. The engineering is impressive: 22mm high tensile steel frame with cross-bracing hubs on front, sides, and back for ultimate stability. These chairs aren't just strong, they're fortress-level secure. Lumbar support is the game-changer: adjustable integrated lumbar arch support that adapts to your spine's natural curve. Say goodbye to camping back pain. The fabric technology is fascinating 4-layer composite construction with 600D ripstop polyester. Enhanced tear resistance at all stress points means these chairs are built for years of adventures. Storage capacity is generous, large insulated drink holder that fits 3 17-ounce cans, side storage pocket, and cooler compartment. Plus, you get 2 chairs for the price of premium singles. Number 6 is for the sophisticated camper, the ARROWHEAD chair that brings happy hour to the wilderness. The cooler game is strong. Armrest cooler holds up to 6 12-ounce cans within arm's reach. No more trudging to the cooler every time you need a refreshment. Here's something unique, a built-in wine glass holder that securely clips wine, martini, champagne, and any stem glass. Camping just got classy. Temperature control is key. Insulated supersized cup holders keep beverages at desired temperature, unlike basic mesh holders. Fits anything up to 4.5 inches wide. Smart storage solutions, large mesh storage compartment on the back for hats, sunglasses, snacks, and loose items. Everything has its place. This chair proves you don't have to rough it to enjoy the great outdoors. Number 7 brings workspace to your outdoor space with the SunnyFeel chair featuring an integrated side table. The flip-up side table is brilliant. Built-in phone and cup holders free your hands completely. Perfect for remote work sessions in nature or keeping snacks organized during movie nights. Safety and convenience combined. Anti-pinching, click-to-lock design makes setup effortless and safe. No more pinched fingers or complicated assembly. Storage is abundant. A double-front multi-pocket system provides ample room for books, magazines, iPad, keys, and wallets. Everything stays organized and accessible. Built tough 300-pound capacity with sturdy steel frame construction. Double seam 600 multiplied by 300D Oxford cloth with 200 grams mesh offers strength, durability, and breathability. At 13.4 pounds, with a pack size of 20x19 by 5 inches, it's surprisingly portable for all its features. Number 8 takes rocking to the next level with the portal chair that's built for the whole family. Size matters. This oversized rocker supports up to 400 pounds, making it perfect for adults or adults with kids. Everyone can enjoy that soothing rocking motion together. The 29-inch high mesh back provides full shoulder and head support, while the honeycomb mesh design keeps air circulating. No more sweaty back syndrome during long relaxation sessions. Heavy-duty construction, thickened steel frame with high-density polyester ensures this rocker will handle whatever family adventures throw at it. Hard armrests make getting in and out safe and easy. Folding design is ingenious, takes just 10 seconds to set up once you know the trick. The unique folding mechanism creates a much more compact bundle than regular rockers. Versatility shines. Camping, concerts, games, backyard relaxation. This rocker adapts to any setting where comfort is king. Number 9 is the Ultralight Champion, the Helinox chair, one that redefines portable seating. The weight factor is incredible at just 2.1 pounds. It weighs less than a bottle of wine but supports up to 320 pounds. That's engineering magic right there. Pack dimensions are mind-blowing: 4x4, 5x14 inches when packed. This chair literally disappears into your backpack, making it perfect for long-distance hiking and travel. Construction is premium. Proprietary aluminum alloy frame provides maximum strength at minimum weight. The 600 weave ripstop polyester is UV resistant and machine washable. Setup is foolproof. Single internal bungee cord assembles all poles automatically. No thinking required, just unfold and sit. 5-year warranty shows the manufacturer's confidence in this ultralight marvel. When every ounce matters but comfort can't be compromised, this is your chair. And our number 10 pick, the Alpha Camp 2-pack that delivers premium features at unbeatable value. The value proposition is incredible: 2 chairs with built-in coolers for the price of 1 premium chair elsewhere. That's smart shopping. Cooler integration is seamless. Built-in 3-can cooler pouch keeps drinks cold and within reach. No more warm beverages ruining your outdoor experience. Durability is outstanding. 600D Oxford fabric on seat and backrest resists wear and tear like a champion. Heavy-duty steel frame with protective coating fights rust and corrosion. Portability is remarkable. Each chair weighs just 5 pounds and collapses to 36. Multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 inches. Complete with carry bags for easy transport. Versatility covers everything: camping, hiking, fishing, tailgating, beach activities, sports events. These chairs adapt to any outdoor adventure you can imagine. There you have it, the top 10 camping chairs that will transform your outdoor comfort in 2025. For ultralight backpacking, Helinox Chair 1 or LENCE. For maximum comfort, Alpha Camp Oversized options. For unique features, GCI Rocker or ARROWHEAD with cooler. For best value, Alpha Camp 2-pack rounds out our list perfectly. Which chair caught your attention? Drop a comment below and let me know what features matter most to your adventures. Don't forget to subscribe for more gear reviews and check the description for current pricing. Until next time, keep exploring.